profession, extra income. Hello friends of Astelar channel. Today we will learn how to verify your PayPal account and how to you link your PayPal account on the survey sites. Okay, the first step you need to know is you need to use the same email on your PayPal account. Okay, in the moment you will create your account with, you can remember this email and use the same email to create your profile on the service websites to link you receive your payment direct to your PayPal account. You need to use this email. Okay, so to verify your PayPal account you need to look for this option, wallet. Okay, this is in Portuguese but in English is wallet. You will click your wallet and you need to click here. You can add one card, okay, or a bank account. You click here to add your bank account. You will fill this information with your PayPal account. So after that you will receive this bank account. You put your information here. You will receive 2 deposits to your account and you need to confirm this information here. And you will start you will change to confirm it, but it's just simple. You put information here of your account and you will receive the 2 deposits of cents, 10 cents, 7 cents, 21 cents in your account. In your account you put in here. So you will wait the 2 or 3 day business to receive this deposit, and after that we will come back to your PayPal wallet and you will receive, and you will put the information of the deposit you receive in your account here, and this is it. You will be confirming your account. It's just simple like that. Okay, I think you enjoy this tutorial and stay safe. See you later. Profession, extra income.